Hello and welcome to this video on Shopify POS. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits of Shopify's point-of-sale system and how it can help you grow your business. Whether you're a brick-and-mortar store, pop-up shop, or just starting out, Shopify POS provides everything you need to process payments, manage your inventory, and run your business on the go. So if you're ready to learn how to take your business to the next level, let's get started. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that integrates with Shopify's e-commerce platform. With Shopify POS, you can manage your sales, inventory, and customer data from one central location, whether you're selling in-store, online, or on the go. Shopify POS is available as an app for iOS and Android devices, and you can use it with a variety of hardware options, including iPads, iPhones, and Shopify's own POS hardware. Key features of Shopify POS. Shopify POS includes a number of features to help you run your business more efficiently, including easy payment processing, accept payments from customers using credit and debit cards. Inventory management, keep track of your inventory levels, set low stock alerts, and manage your product information from one central location. Customer data management, store and manage customer information, including purchase history, contact details, and more. Reporting and analytics, get real-time insights into your sales and performance with Shopify's built-in reporting and analytics tools. Order management, manage your orders, including order status, shipping information, and more. Mobile compatibility, access Shopify POS from your mobile device, so you can sell and manage your business on the go. Setting up Shopify POS. To set up Shopify POS, you'll need to have a Shopify account, and then download the Shopify POS app to your mobile device. Once you've installed the app, you'll be prompted to connect your Shopify account, and then enter your payment information. From there, you can start adding products to your inventory, setting up payment methods, and customizing your checkout process. Using Shopify POS. To use Shopify POS, simply open the app on your mobile device, and log into your Shopify account. From there, you can start processing sales, managing your inventory, and interacting with customers. With Shopify POS, you'll be able to access all of your customer and order data in real time, so you can make informed decisions and run your business with confidence. Benefits of using Shopify POS. There are many benefits to using Shopify POS, including increased efficiency by integrating your sales, inventory, and customer data into one central location. You can streamline your operations. Increased sales. With Shopify POS, you can accept payments and manage sales from anywhere, making it easier to sell to customers in-store, online, or on the go. Better customer experiences. With Shopify POS, you can provide your customers with a seamless shopping experience, from payment processing to order management. Improved insights. With Shopify's reporting and analytics tools, you can get real-time insights into your business performance and make data-driven decisions. Shopify POS is a powerful and user-friendly point-of-sale system that can help you take your business to the next level. Whether you're a brick-and-mortar store, pop-up shop, or just starting out, Shopify POS provides everything you need to process payments, manage your inventory, and run your business on the go. So if you're ready to streamline your operations and grow your business, give Shopify POS a try today. Q&A. Can I use Shopify POS with my existing hardware? Yes, Shopify POS is compatible with a variety of hardware options, including iPads, iPhones, and Shopify's own POS hardware. Can I use Shopify POS if I only sell online? Yes, Shopify POS is a great option for online-only businesses as well, as it integrates with Shopify's e-commerce platform and allows you to manage your sales and inventory from one central location. How much does Shopify POS cost? The cost of Shopify POS varies depending on your plan and the hardware you use, but starts at $29 per month for the basic Shopify plan. Is Shopify POS easy to set up and use? Yes, Shopify POS is designed to be user-friendly and easy to set up. The app is available for iOS and Android devices, and you can start using it within minutes. Can I use Shopify POS on the go? Yes, Shopify POS is a mobile-compatible app that you can use from your iOS or Android device, so you can sell and manage your business on the go. Shopify POS is a powerful and user-friendly solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a brick-and-mortar store, pop-up shop, or online-only business, Shopify POS provides everything you need to run your business and grow your sales. So if you're looking for a comprehensive point-of-sale system, give Shopify POS a try today.